What's up everybody, Parker York Smith here. Welcome back to my channel. So as you just saw, I have a shoe problem, but that's okay. I don't care. I don't consider it a problem. I consider it a privilege and an honor to be able to host all of these shoes in my lovely home. Being a longtime sneakerhead, big enthusiast of shoes in general, I have a ton of pairs, but the thing is, I've kind of fallen out of buying the new hype pairs, the new cool thing that drops seemingly every weekend. There's a new something coming from Adidas, Jordan, Yeezy, whoever. So I kind of stopped doing it because for one, it's crazy expensive. And for two, it's really frustrating having to always be taking losses on things that you get really hyped up for. For me on the West Coast, I have to wake up super early. A lot of the sneakers drop at like 7 a.m. So I have to be up and trying to get them right when they come out. And then I lose out and I'm pissed. But today I'm gonna be showcasing a very, very exciting shoe that I actually got my hands on. The patent leathers. 2018 Air Jordan 11 Retro size 12, white, Concord, black. Arguably the greatest sneaker of all time. So I was randomly walking my dogs a few weeks ago, like I do every single morning, and I got a notification from the J23 app saying that they had dropped these early on sneakers. So I just jumped on thinking, sure, I'll try. I'm not gonna get them. And I did. I was shocked, so pumped, jumping up and down, looking like a crazy person in my neighborhood. They came in the mail a couple of days ago. Haven't even tried them on yet. I only looked at them for a second, but we're gonna open them up. We're gonna take a closer look, and then I'm gonna throw them on foot so you guys can kind of get a feel for how they look in case you wanna try to get a pair for yourself because they're coming out this weekend. Starting with the box, super classic Jordan style box. The last couple 11 retros have had the slide out one, which is fine. I don't really care one way or another. I usually don't keep my boxes, but with this one I probably will just because they're such a sentimental get for me. I had these shoes when I was in like 6th grade or something like that. No, it was like 7th or 8th grade, and they were my basketball shoes. So to have them again is very exciting. It's just so beautiful. My initial thoughts on them are obviously that they're incredible. I love them. The patent leather on the last few retros has been a little bit thicker, a little bit fatter than it was on the older ones, which I'm actually not crazy about, to be completely honest, but it's such a minor detail that it's only gonna be people who like really pay attention to this stuff, probably too much, that are even gonna notice that. On the back, you see this year's retro is a little different because it has the 45. If you guys don't know the story, in 1995, Jordan decided to retire from baseball because there was a strike going on after he had left the NBA, wanted to come back into the NBA, came back, obviously joined the Bulls, but they had already retired the number 23, so he wasn't even able to wear it by the rules, so he had to wear number 45, and then it was right between when the 10s and then the 11s were coming out, so these are the ones that came out in like 96 and late 95 that have the 45 on the back. So they're a little bit more unique than a lot of the other Concords that you've seen. Pretty much all the other 11s except for the Space Jams, which also have the 45 on the back. The ice bottom with the Concord purple is just so beautiful. I love it. It's gonna yellow over time, but I don't even care because I am a strong believer in always wearing your sneakers. Just for one, because why pay so much money to have something just sit on the shelf? And two, odds are Jordan Brand understands they're gonna re-release these in like 3 or 4 years anyway, so you're just gonna wanna buy a fresh pair anyway, so you might as well rock them. On the inside, it's got the Nike Air on the insole, and another cool thing is they included the hard plastic Concord purple shoe tree, I guess? Always keep your paper or these things, if it comes with the shoe, stuff it in there so that your creasing will not be as bad after you wear them. But ultimately, wear your sneakers, guys. Enjoy them. Don't just have them sit on a shelf so that they can collect dust and just kind of eat away at themselves over the time. Coming in at $220, these are super pricey, I know, but they're just the greatest of all time. They are my favorite sneaker, I think, ever, especially of the Jordans. It's probably these and like maybe the black and cement 3s and the all black 5s with the silver little edging on the outsole there. Those are so good. But those three to me are like just the quintessential Jordans. Of course, the ones, what am I talking about? The original ones are the greatest shoe of all time, but these are a close second. I don't really know what else to say about them, so we're gonna put them on, give you guys a closer look of how they look actually on foot. I'm just wearing some dark slim jeans with them. That's my favorite way to style Jordans these days, so let's do that. See how I'm rocking them with the purple dress sock? That is a very strong move that I would highly recommend. It's easy to throw on some white or black athletic socks with your Jordans or your, you know, more hyped style sneakers, but a nice, slightly more elevated way to wear something like this. Just a slim pair of jeans, a nice small cuff like that, and then just let the dress sock come through just a tiny bit. It's a really solid move. That's all I got for you guys. I appreciate you watching. Be sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. If you are subscribed, hit the bell icon. Get a notification every single time I drop a video. Join this notification gang. I appreciate you very, very much. Remember that these drop this weekend. If you're gonna try to get a pair, make sure you go on it hard because I feel like they're gonna sell out like that. Appreciate you guys. I'm gonna say appreciate a couple more times. Appreciate, appreciate, appreciate.